Welcome to Differentiated Discipline, where we are driven by connections and fueled by accountability. What if we could be in a world where teachers could actually teach and not have to focus on classroom management? Where students can not just learn about academics and higher level learning, but learn about their other classmates and their teachers in the classroom? What if campus administrators could actually experience the systemic and sustainable changes that you seek so desperately in education? That's what we can do here together at Differentiated Discipline. Hi, my name is Kevin Curtis, and I lead a team of educators. In fact, we're all real educators with real experience and real struggles that have helped us to develop real strategies to bring real solutions to schools just like yours. So what do? We decrease discipline issues. We increase student engagement. We increase teacher retention. And lastly, we increase overall school safety by making sure everyone in your school community feels valued, seen, and heard. I invite you to join us in being a part of a new way of leading in education and take discipline outside the box. Let's rethink and reshape a new school system where all educators and students can thrive. Please check us out at ddiscipline.com.